The first hint of dawn was painting the eastern sky a soft lavender as the Kiwanis Club of Columbus, Georgia volunteers began to arrive at their designated staging area. It was Monday morning, and for them, the week had already begun. Their mission: to lay the groundwork for the Safe Kids Columbus Booster Seat program. A buzz of friendly greetings filled the cool morning air as they unloaded folding tables, signage, and boxes filled with measuring tapes and informational pamphlets. Each volunteer knew their role. Some unfurled banners proclaiming "Safe Kids" in bold letters, while others meticulously arranged the stations. One corner was designated for height measurements, another for weight checks. Experienced Kiwanians guided the newer members, explaining the importance of accurate data collection in ensuring the right booster seat would be matched to each child later in the week. The early morning chill didn't dampen their spirits. They were driven by a shared commitment to the children of Columbus. They knew that a properly fitted booster seat could be the difference between a minor bump and a life-altering injury. As the sun climbed higher, casting long shadows across the parking lot at the end of the week, the stations began to take shape. By the time most of the city was just stirring, the Kiwanis volunteers had already created a well-oiled machine, ready to play their crucial part in keeping the young passengers of Georgia safe. The week had indeed started early, but for these dedicated individuals, it was a start filled with purpose.
We rise to the call. You brought hope to the children, standing tall. With each booster seat, a promise we make. Together we're strong, for every child's sake. You're the light in the fight, showing us the way. With love and commitment, brighter every day. We couldn't do it without you, through thick and thin. Your passion ignites the strength within. For every child's laughter, for every small cheer. Together with volunteers, there's nothing to fear. Volunteers of courage, hearts intertwined, teaching safety together, no one left behind. In this mission, we thrive each moment we share. For the kids in the backseat, we promise to care. You're the heart, you're the soul, making change come true. With you by our side, there's nothing we can't do. We couldn't do it without you, through thick and thin. Your passion ignites the strength within. For every child's laughter, for every small cheer. Together with volunteers, there's enough for to fear. So here's to our heroes, both big and small. Your commitment shines brightly, inspiring us all.